Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Let's go to the van na. Let's wait for the person. Then diba that's you, the blue shark? Yeah. And this is me. Okay, the van is filling up. We're gonna go now. There's one more person missing. It's time to go. Roblox story game. Okay then, let's go to the green room. Okay. Come here. Wait, let's go check. We can find money in the drawer. Oh, there I found $10. Let's go to the green room. Let's go to the green room. Let's wait until night because we're gonna have some pizza. Okay. Okay. Where the CCTVs are. Let's go to the pink room and find if we can find something. Aiden is the medic, so if I lose HP, he will heal me. Okay. It's almost night time. Let's go here, Kaden. Let's go here. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Later at night. Oh, it's getting dark. Time for pizza. And then that's it na. Okay. Let's wait for the pizza to come in the door. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's go get pizza. Let's go get the pizza na. Wait, let's go wait for the pizza. Then, the pizza is here na. Let's go to the door. Here it comes. Oh! The pizza guy looks suspicious. table and get pizza. Yes. I got 3 slices of pizza. How many slices do you have, Kaden? 2. Let's go up. No, let's go to the movie theater and let's watch the news. Uh-oh. Why's the light glitches? Come on. I'm gonna go upstairs and hide. Okay, never mind. Okay, then let's go here. Never mind, let's go downstairs to watch in the new movie theater. What's the breaking news? Uh-oh. Okay, then look. The TV emergency broadcast.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
The purge has begun.
The purge has begun. Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them, or you may be injured or killed. Games are being invaded and destroyed. I repeat that this is not a drill. Stay inside. Protect your families. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Use boards to secure your windows and doors. Their leader is Scary Larry. If you see him, you need to run or hide. If you try to fight him, you will be defeated.
Scary Larry just looks like the pizza delivery guy. He just wear a mustache. Let's go to my bed. Right, we're sleeping in the blue room, right? Let's wait until morning. It's all day morning. This will take a whole night. Oh my goodness, there's an earthquake. Ah! The intruders! Go! Battle! Run! Go battle! Oh, it's already morning. And we killed all the strangers. Huh? The window is broken? Let's go get some wood and fix the windows. Come on, hurry up, Kaden! Hurry up! Go downstairs. Okay. Go downstairs, bro. Go fix the windows. Go get some wood. Go. Who help us, Kaden? Come on. Let's go. Put some upstairs, Kaden. Put some upstairs, okay? I'm gonna go put in the kitchen. Kaden, come here. Kaden, let's go to the blue room. Come on, Kaden, put logs here. Meh. Wow. Meh. Pero pag pinost namin yun sa YouTube, mawawala na yung black label. Goodbye guys, that's all for today. Bye!